Morning, folks. So today I want to review this product, LANOGUARD, long-lasting surface protectant, anti-corrosive, and lubricant. So they put a lot of chemicals in the road these days. So the chemicals, they inevitably get on your undercarriage, and it will speed up the rusting process. So what you want to prevent that as much as you can. The three reasons why I want to use this product specifically is because it doesn't require a lot of prep. What they're suggesting is just do a pre-wash. Just pre-wash your undercarriage basically with a high pressure rinse so that there's no loose dirt there. That's one of the reasons. The other reason is this attachment that it comes with. It's basically a spray nozzle. You put it in the bottle. You can stretch it out underneath. You can stretch your arm out underneath the carriage, which I will show you, and you can just pre-spray the whole area. This is a big plus for me because I don't really need to lift the car up to spray it. It's a good product for people who want to do it quickly and don't want to spend a lot of money. So I think it's really versatile. Before you want to use it, obviously prep your car, prep your undercarriage, take it to a local car wash, spend £1 on just blasting out the undercarriage, then wait for it to dry because this product needs to be applied to dry. The next thing what I'm going to do, or what you want to do is get yourself some gloves, chemical resistant gloves, get yourself some goggles so that you don't spray, you don't want to get this stuff on your eyes, obviously. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Maybe a mask as well. Get a mask as well with it. So as you can see, guys, this is what we're dealing with today. You might not see a lot, but this is my undercarriage that I want to cover today. Let's take it from the other side as well. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of rust here and there. Nothing critical, really. So I'm going to try to cover all of that with LANOGUARD. Maybe dry it a little bit if there's any water there. I'm going to show you how I set all of it up now. So here it is, guys. This is all my setup. This is the cardboard and the pad I'm going to lay on. This is LANOGUARD. Just want to show you up close how the undercarriage looks like now. This is the product itself. The undercarriage was dry. I dried it out. The car is wet on the other side. This is not water. This is the product. So it gives like a nice uniform look to it. So yeah, I'm going to finish the rest part of the vehicle. Really easy to apply, guys. Well, guys, I sprayed as much as I could with this. I sprayed as much as I could, and what I can tell you is, it's the amount. Like, I sprayed it liberally. I wasn't saving the product at all, and I probably only used, from what I can see, maybe probably even having 1/5 of the bottle I have used. And I've sprayed a lot of it down there. I wasn't stopping spraying it. The spray nozzle is amazing. And this whole setup there, it's just so easy to apply. My experience is really good with this. It's good stuff. And I would definitely recommend this, guys. I'm going to clean my wheel wells. Probably apply them on the wheel wells as well. But I can tell you this is an amazing product. It does a great job. So easy to apply as well. I use it on some of my engine parts as well. Use it on the engine as well. So good stuff, guys. So definitely recommend LANOGUARD. So thumbs up, guys.